just want to read one quick note. So it was number 9. The opinion of some poskim, even if Kli Sheni, the Kli Shlishi, third vessel, into which liquid from the Kli Sheni is poured, is equal to status to Kli Sheni. Is a liquid Yatzal Dasbo. Others disagree. Okay, they say the whole list. So technically, so here's the thing that I'm going to tell. That's a big difference between Ashkenazi custom or approach and Sephardic custom. So according to most of the Sephardic custom, so they actually do cook, these tea bags, right? So they put tea bags in a third cup, not the second, not in the first and the second cup, and they pour water from the second cup, and there is no problem. Ashkenazi people usually don't do it. Some do. There are opinions that you can do it, but mostly we go by the stricter opinion, and we say that this tea leaves is one of the exceptions. It is exception, right? That it's if the water inside, like in the cup, if it's a second, third cup, or fifth cup, 10th cup, if it's above Yatzal Dasbo, since this leaves, especially in tea bags, that's how they make it. So they're readily cooked. They're going to cook. So basically, we never ever use a tea bags on Shabbos. So what do? You just prepare before Shabbos, like tea essence, right? And like in olden days, and that's it. In olden days, before we had the sleeves, because the tea bags, right? So we lived so many years before the tea bags. So that's what we used to do.